So in this video we're just going to look at the levels in particular. So in the previous video we looked at the matrix or the marketing plan, the network of people inside the smart contract. Now we're just looking at what happens when you level up. So there are levels 1 to 6 as I said in the previous video, and it starts off at 1,000, then 3,000, 20,000, 100,000, 250,000 and 500,000. So that's how it goes up, and every time you start off with 5 uplines, and then you go 6 uplines, 7 uplines, 8 uplines, 9 uplines, 10 uplines. So it's a 6 by 10 matrix, and there's also an issue here, so attention, lost profit, so you just got to take this into account. If you do not buy the next level, so the next level up, before your downline partners, people that joined after you, etc., then the payment from your downline partners will be lapsed. Any upline partners who already purchased the level would still getting their incentive. However, you will not be eligible to claim the incentive. So carefully monitor the growth of your structure and pre-buy the next level so that you do not miss your profit. So it's particularly important for team leaders as well that are setting up teams. So like myself, you should join the link below and join our team, and you'll be in good hands. So feel free to subscribe, like and share, and hit the bell notifications, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video as we look into further detail into the TronMakers contract. Cheers!